Hello friends, welcome to Knowledge Assistant. Welcome to the part 2 of Excel tips and tricks. So let me open an Excel file. I have created this sample file to show you some more tips and tricks of Excel. So the first trick about which I will talk is slicer. For that you need to select the table, any cell of the table, then click on design and there you will see insert slicer. Click on that. Now suppose I want slicer on the basis of gender and income. So I will click that. So you can see that two boxes have appeared. So with the help of this option you can find data more easily. I have small amount of data, but if you have big amount of data, so you can use this method. Suppose I want only the employees who are female. So I will click on app. So you can see there are only two female in the list of the employee of the year. If I want to clear filter, then click on this one, or you can press Alt plus C. So I will clear this filter. Suppose now I want name of the males. So I have selected. Similarly, you can use even second one with this first one. Suppose I want the persons whose income is 50,000. So you can see there are two people whose income is 50,000. In this way you can use slicers. Let me cut this one. In this way you can use In this way you can use slicers to analyze and find the information that you required. The second trick about which I will talk is drop down list. Suppose I want to create a form. First I will write name. So suppose the employee is filling this form, then he had to write his name. But instead of that I will create a drop down list so he can just select it instead of typing. So for that you need to go in data, click on data validation, there on allow click on list, then upload the data, select this much and then upload, click on OK. So you can see a drop down list have been created over here. Now suppose I want to write for employee C. In this way you can write. Now again I can make for gender, but for gender we only want two, male and female. So click on this, click on data and click on data validation, select list, then you need to upload the data, select these two columns and then click on OK. You can see there are two options available. You can select, suppose the C is female, so I will select F. Similarly you can make more drop down list. Suppose I want date of birth. So for this I want the date from 1 to 31st, so I will write it first. Now instead of writing whole I will select these two and I will just drag this one. It's still 27, so I need to drag it some more or leave it. I am just showing you a sample for this, so you can create more like this. And similarly for months also I will write here January, February. I will select these two and I will drag this one. Similarly for year I will write 1990, 1991 and I will select these two and I will drag this one. So suppose I want here day so here I want date, month and year. So for date click on, so first I will choose for date, so I will click on data validation, choose on list, or you can directly choose on date. List. Upload the source. I will select this one and I will upload it. Click on OK. Similarly for the month, I will click on data validation, select list, upload the data and upload it. Similarly for the year, click on data validation, click on list, select the data, upload it and click on OK. So you can see, suppose his date of his birthday date is 18 July 1998. In this way, I can even change my date. In this way you can create for date. You can use it for any. So let me clear this first and I will show you about the next trip. So the next tip is that you can insert equations in this. So for that, click on equations. You can see there are predefined equation. You can select that. So suppose I will select area of a square. So you can see the formula has been exported here. So you can use this for making question papers and many more. Similarly, if you want to create your own question, then click on equation and write your equation. Suppose I want to write the equation of equilateral triangle. So I will write area is equals to root 3 by 4 side square. Suppose you want to write if you want to write an equation which is not given in the list, then you can write it by clicking on inc equation, then write your equation. Suppose I will write the formula of area of equilateral triangle root 3. It's not taking it properly, so let me write it again. Root 3 by 4 a square. And click on insert. In this way you can write your own formula. The next trick is symbols. You can insert symbols. Suppose like I want the symbol of currency. Suppose I want euro, so I can select this one. I will click on enter. You can see the euro symbol has been inserted. Suppose the amount I have to write is in euro. So I will select euro symbol, click on insert and then cut it. You can see the euro symbol has been inserted. Now I will cut this. Similarly, you can insert more symbols, mathematical symbols. Click on symbol, then choose click on M. You can see mathematical operators. Then you can choose any 5 by 6, 1 by 8 you want to insert. So you can see 1 by 8 has been inserted. Similarly, alpha, beta is also available. Numbers, everything is available. You can check it from here. The next is the quick access toolbar. The topmost line is called quick access toolbar. You can add new things to quick access toolbar, or you can even remove. Suppose I want to remove read option from this, so you can see the read option have been removed. If I want it back, then I will again click on this. You can see it's again back. If I want to add more options, you can see here are only few options are available. But if I want something from here to be available on the quick access toolbar to access it easily, so suppose I want bold in quick access toolbar, so I will right click on that, then click on add to quick access toolbar. So you can see it is added over there. So let me show you how to use. Suppose I have selected this text. Now click on bold. It's bold. This is more useful when you pin something which is there other than in the home tab. Suppose I want pictures, this one to be pinned in the quick access toolbar. So I will right click on that, then click on add to quick access toolbar. So now I will click on home. So if you will click on this, you will directly available with this option. You did not require to go in the insert then click on pictures. You can directly click over there. And the last trick is calculation. For this, suppose I want the total amount of the persons that he has earned in the his working years. So first, for that you need to click on equal to, then select the cell which you want to multiply, then click on a multiply sign, and then click on this, and then click on enter. You can see that all the values have been returned automatically. This is because you have created a table. So if you will change any one, it will affect on the whole page. So let me show you one more thing. Now I will multiply over here. So you can see only this, the first one is multiplied because I haven't created table over here. This is the use of the table. If you apply changes on any one, it will affect on the whole. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe the channel. For latest updates, join our Telegram channel, link given in the description. For any query, ask in the comment section.